Hi everyone, I have another really fun tutorial for you. So this is going to be a removable clip file folder, and we've done lots of fun clip variations, but I thought this was just really cool because I am using an actual file folder, except I added on, and I may be tricking you guys a little bit. This is actually a different tutorial that we had done prior, but I thought it looked really nice. So it was actually this prior flip clip thing that we did, but I added it on here. So, but don't worry, there's actually a cute little pocket behind it. I just thought it was a nice little add-on. So I'm going to put this tutorial on the top for those who are new. This was a real fun one, and it was just like a removable pocket clip. It was really cute. So anyway, I'm going to add this little pocket on here, and then we have our little side pocket, and then we have a pocket here, and then like I said, it's an actual file folder. So we have a little file folder, and you can clip this on to like any of your scrapbook pages, and it's actually a pretty decent size, as you can see by my hand. It's not like a tiny clip, it's actually like a removable page. If you have a journal, this journal that I made, and I will do this for you guys, for those who asked, but when I was playing with the leftover, I was like, wait a minute, I can do this before I do that. So if you have like a journal, you can stick it in your journal, and it's just a lot of fun. So let's get started. And what you're going to do is, and of course, if you don't have a file folder, no big deal. I'm sure you can do this with scrapbook paper. Just kind of measure it the way a file folder size would be. You just have to look online and see. So what we're going to do is take your file folder, and I have mine that's basically the tab is in the middle. That's just happened to be the one that I picked. So I cut it in half, and I cut it at 6 inches. So one side will be a little bit bigger than the other just by a notch. If you see, it's just like a tiny notch. So we're using the smaller side, which is going to be the 6-inch side. So just grab that, and then this one you can make another one, or you can cut it any way you want. It doesn't have to be this way, but I'm just doing it because I am doing the cover papers with you. So, but you can make this smaller, you can make it bigger, whatever you want to do. And then we're going to grab our file folder and our scoreboard. And at the bottom piece here, so make sure your tab's on the top. Now, mine is in between the score, but I'm going to use this score to make it easier. So I'm going to score mine at 3 1/4 inch. So mine is like literally like right here, but I don't like to confuse people. Oh my goodness, did I just double do that? I just double did it. Oh my goodness, it's hard to do this. I think I had actually folded mine and didn't use a scoreboard. I was like, why is this so hard? So yeah, you can do it that way and just kind of eyeball it. And I'm going to push this down. So how easy is that? Basically, you can leave it like that if you want and just kind of glue everything together. But I hope my papers actually look good. I didn't even think about this. It may be a little bit off because my paper was a little notch off. But anyways, so before we glue all this down, make sure you kind of like open it up, because we want this little piece to be our little thumb notch here. And of course, if you are what is the word I'm looking for? Stamping it, distressing it, you definitely want to kind of do that now before, you know, all that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do it real quickly. Just kind of go along like this. You could even do it after you put all your stuff on, but I'm just doing a really light stamp because most of this will be covered by pictures that we're putting on with the paper. But how fun is this, right? I think this is so much fun. Sometimes you just don't know what you can make when something is sitting on your desk. And I think we all agree that the clips are one of our favorite things to do, because there's so many different ways you can do them. All right. And I think that's good for now. If I have to go back later, I will. So I'm going to obviously glue this. Actually, no, don't glue that yet. You know why? Because I want to put our papers down. So let's do this portion right here. So we're going to grab 2. Now, you can go smaller on the second one because you're not going to see this, but I just made it the same as the front because I wanted it to be easy. So I made 2 3 by 5.5 inch papers. And what I'm going to do is glue this on. Okay, good. It's not too much of a big difference. And I should have thumb notched that together, but silly me didn't. So hopefully this aligns. I usually can eyeball it. And yes, there it is. And of course, I'm going to just distress mine a little bit. And you guys, I'm not kidding. I'm almost through this whole collection just from these 2 tutorials. I have like bits and scraps. And the only reason why I had that sheet when I first opened the video was because it was under all my paper and I didn't know it was there. Otherwise, it would have been gone. And I know, don't get mad at me for using the side. A few of you do get a little upset when I don't use the paper side. That's pretty, but I have this sheet here and that's going to go on the top. So let's see here, go like this and get it kind of right on there. So I should have put it up a little more because I have that whole, just trying to get it in the middle. But I kind of messed up with the thumb notch. Okay, that'll do. So you've got that. And we've got this next one. This is what I mean before we glue it. You can just kind of put it in there. So let me distress this portion real quick. I wanted this one to be a little more colorful than the other one. The other one is very, very junk vintage journaly, which I know lots of you like, but I have to be colorful for my other half. So it's half and half. Oh my goodness, did you guys see? So we're supposed to get snow again this Saturday, which we didn't get any. So I'm eager to see if we're going to actually get any snow. I really wish it would for the kids. And then, oh my goodness, did you guys see the stuff about the snow? I don't know. I guess the snow isn't real. I don't know. If you have snow in your yard, you have to let me know. But hold on, I'm just going to glue this. So now, when I do this, just glue the sides because this is our pocket. But people are like going in their yard and burning snow and it's not melting. How weird is that? All right. So my neighbor's mom, she's in New Jersey and she did it and it did not burn. I was like, wow, that's crazy. Okay, so once you have that, you're gonna have your pocket here, and then you're gonna have your file there. So, I mean, boom, we're like pretty much almost done besides decorating this. And we've got this back file here, which is gonna be 5.5 by 5.5. And I did corner run mine because you see that part right there? So let me get my little rounder. Yeah, apparently the smell of the snow is weird and it's not melting like it should be, so it's very interesting. It doesn't surprise me. I don't think anything surprises me anymore. The world is crazy right now. It doesn't matter which way you go. It's all over the place. So this is our little crafting space to get away from all of that noise. All right, now I'm going to just knock that on here. And if you want to get creative, you could probably even make this another pocket in there, but I really want to use this as like a file type thing, so I'm going to leave it at that. All right, this seems a little bit higher. Okay, it fits. I guess it just fits because I don't want it plain back there, and you could even do it here. It would probably be like probably the same size, honestly. But I'm just going to leave that. And what else do we have here? I have all this pile here. I'm going to put that here. And see, this is what I mean is like you can come back in and just basically fill in anything that's too manila. All right. I'm going to pop that right here. And these are just little pieces from this collection. And I get a lot of newbies on here. Use all my collections. I always try to put in the comment because I can't remember the name of everything, especially as much paper as I use. So I have everything there. If you want to know the name of it or where I got it from, it's always, always in the description. And do that. And I'm not going to do the other clip today because, like I said, I have that tutorial and I'm not going to bore you guys with the same thing twice, even though I know some of you guys don't mind. And we got to do our little pocket in the front, the itty bitty pocket. Oh, that's right here. So maybe you guys got a sneak peek, but this is the 2 by 3 inches. And I'm going to grab a, oh, there's that sun sneaking in on me. This, I just put a little 1-inch punch on there. And that's going to go right. Oh no, it's going to cover my hello. That's very sad. I didn't think that far ahead, but that's okay. You got to do what you got to do for your tutorials. All right. And I'm going to pop that right there. And you don't have to do that, obviously. Like, I actually preferred it without it, but got to put that on there for you guys. And I'm just going to, for here, you could put like tickets or whatever. Oh, did I not glue that? Okay, guys, you're supposed to glue this part, but I don't think mine dried. And like I said, I love that clip. So that's how it looks without it. But if you did want to, hold on, let me pull this up just a little bit. If you want to kind of add a clip, see what I mean? This one's actually big because this is the one we made. So you could always downsize this. You could always cut this in a little bit. It'll be the same measurements on my page, except you can like make it smaller. So if you want to put it here, here, or just be happy with your little pocket there. And I'm looking for my tab punch, which is right here. So weird. Usually in January I'm not inspired, but I've been very, very inspired by junk sitting all over my desk. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to flip it this way just to show you something can go in there. This is actually not a bookmark or anything. It's just something to put in so you guys can see there's a little pocket. But I could make this a bookmark. This looks like it's going to be too big. So I'm going to just cut this down just a baby bit. I would probably make this skinnier and make a bookmark out of it. So it's just sitting there pretty. And grabbing all my pretty things here. Did I miss anything? No, I did not miss anything. But love these little pieces because they're just going to make it look like I did so much and I didn't do anything. It's just so easy to look pretty. And of course here, if you want to stick all your photos or whatever it is that you have in here, your dies, anything, you could put it in there. Oh my goodness, you guys, I made a boo-boo. I didn't do the clip. Okay, so we're going to go backwards a little bit. Before you put this on, okay, what we're going to do is basically, you know what, I'm going to do this again. I don't pretend I did not put this on, okay? So I knew this was going way too smooth. So let me grab another paper that's 5.5 by 5.5 because I don't want to half rear end this, okay? I want to do this the right way. So 5.5 5.5 by 5.5. So pretend this is just the file portion that I did not mess up on. And it's really easy. I feel so bad for anyone who's not watching this in English because they're going to be like, what in the heck is she doing? So I'm going to put that there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is simply add on the clip here. And I just put it up. And it's just the same like all my other ones. And I'm going to put this on here. And like literally that's it. And I'm going to just put this over here, just like this one, except that's not supposed to be there. This is supposed to be done first. So I'm going to have to put a note to say there is a blooper. Do not do this with me from the beginning, because there are people that do that. So here. Okay, and it's nice and thick on there because I messed up, but that's actually how it should look. Like that, okay? And it's nice and snug on there. It's not like I'm pulling it. It's fine. And now I can put it on anything I want, like journals, paper, notebooks, just if you're studying in your Bible or any of that. But I'm just going to go ahead and put that on here so you can see. And voila, we've got 1, 2, 3 pockets, and it's just lots of fun. So hope you guys like this. I thought it was really cute, and so sorry for the blooper. You guys know me, I just don't edit. And you know what? I follow a girl on TikTok, and she always shows her bloopers, and I see what you guys mean. She keeps it real. She keeps it just, you know, I like that. I love it about her, and it's really genuine, so I could see why you guys don't mind when I do that, and I appreciate it so much. But all right, guys, thank you, and hope you love this.